shade, hue, tint, and tone. This video will quickly go over some of these defining terms with some visuals to ensure that you understand and can easily reference when necessary. The first video I made called Mixing Paint Colors would be a great pre-watch if you are unfamiliar with the color wheel in general. Alright, first up is hue. Hue is basically a pure form of color. So if we look at our 6 primary and secondary colors, red, blue, yellow, orange, green, and violet, these would all be considered hues. Another way to think of hue would be as an origin color, or a color that is unaltered in any way. Next we have shade. A shade of a color is basically any base color taken from the color wheel and adding black to it to darken the color to some degree. For example, if we take red, add a touch of black, we can create this beautiful deep red color. This would be a shade of red. Next we have tint. A tint of a color is again any color taken from our color wheel and adding white to it. This can often be referred to as a pastel color, especially in reference to color when we are speaking about designs such as house paint or a design theme. For example, if we take blue and add a bit of white to it, you'll see a lighter shade of blue. This would be a tint of blue. Next we have tone. A tone is any color from the color wheel that has gray added to it. The purpose of adding gray to any color is really to calm the intensity or vibrancy of a color. This can be referred to as a muted color. For example, if we take some green, add a bit of gray to it, then we'll create a tone of green. On one final note, you're probably wondering where black, white, and gray fit into these categories. For black, white, and gray, they are considered achromatic, or pure neutral, which basically means that they are without chroma or color. So, to summarize what we have learned, a hue is a pure form of color. A shade is a hue with the addition of black to darken the color. A tint is a hue plus the addition of white to lighten the color. And a tone is a hue plus the addition of gray to mute a color or remove some of the vibrancy or intensity. I hope I was able to teach you a few things about color terminology. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below if you'd like to see more videos like this. And remember, stay safe, stay creative, and thanks for watching.